Hello guys, I'm Kartacha from NerdZone. At least that's how I'm known in the internet. Um, and I do not usually do videos like that. Uh, so just a quick disclaimer: do not subscribe to my channel. Do not expect stuff like that. This is a video that I just wanted to make because I recently bought a Wacom tablet and I stumbled upon some major issues with making it work, and I decided to make a video that would most probably help at least a few of you. Um, I should start with another issue that I had with a tablet of a colleague of mine. A colleague of mine gave me his tablet for the weekend, and I had some driver issues once again. The tablet just essentially did not work when I installed the drivers, but worked with the automatic Windows drivers, which are inferior. So what I should do, what I did in this case was to find the services. You can type services like that, and you should find it with the cogs, or should I say wheels, I'm not sure. And when you open it, click a random service and click W to find Wacom Professional Service. Then right click and restart. I'm not doing it now because I don't want to risk to ruin my current setup of the drivers. But what it did was to force restart the Wacom process and made it work for me with his tablet. But when I bought my own, his tablet was Wacom Intuos something. I'm not sure what it was. I think it was a smaller version of Intuos. I bought a medium one, which was model CTL 672, if I'm correct. And I had a lot of issues with the drivers. I tried reinstalling, it didn't work. I ran the process as administrator, it didn't work. I reinstalled .NET and Visual C redistributable, it didn't work. I did a lot of stuff and it didn't work. And I eventually found out that in the device manager, you should type device like that and find device manager, or you should click Windows button in the bottom left of your keyboard and R button at the same time like that, and it will open the run menu, and you should type dev mgmt, like dev for device and mgmt for management .msc, and then click OK, and that will open the device manager. What you should find here is human interface devices, and then find the Wacom tablet. However, for me, the Wacom tablet process was not like with this normal icon, but it was that how to express it, that little yellow triangle that usually serves to say that something is not working properly. So if I'm not a tech savvy by any means, and I'm not at all good with solving Windows related issues, but what I found out, and as far as I understood, this is something that serves for in fact, I should show you how it looks like. When you click right button and properties, it looks like this, the menu. when the device is working properly for me. But it looked like this. It's something from the internet, Apple mobile device. I'm not using Apple, but it's the same code. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of the drivers required for this service. A recent hardware or software change might have installed a file that is signed incorrectly or damaged, or that might be malicious software from an unknown source. Code 52. That is something that, as far as I understood, Microsoft enforced as either piracy protection or some kind of other protection for your PC. But as far as I'm understanding what's written, it may be even some drivers not behaving correctly or stuff like that, or some not properly working port for that matter. But regardless, what I did there are a few other solutions than what I did there. I will link them in the description. One included deleting some stuff from the registry, and one included some commands in the command prompt. Both of them did not work for me, but what I did there was rebooting my PC and pressing Shift and F8. I think F8 is the proper key, but I was not sure which one of these two was the proper key, so I pressed both when rebooting. That led me to the advanced boot options, and I chose disable driver signature enforcement, this one here. And now, as you can see, my human interface devices is working properly. It seems that Windows just blocked that device. It thought it's not it should not let it work on this PC. I hope this video helped you. I'm sure if you are in the same situation like I was, I'm sure that you are willing to try whatever the internet says to you. I'm sorry if that's not the solution for you. I cannot guarantee you that that's the proper solution. That's just what helped me. And I hope this helps you. I'm not sure if this will continue to work like that if I reboot my PC. I guess it would not. And I saw some other solution in the internet that show a permanent solution for this, including some other program that how to say it, that change registration file for the installation and some stuff like that. That's very complex, and I hope you find the permanent solution, because I'm really almost sure that that's not the permanent solution you need. But this seems to be working for me, and just you need to boot with disable driver's signature enforcement and it should work. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please share on the internet, but please do not subscribe to my channel. Do not expect any content from me on this channel, because I will really not provide any content like that. I'm just not going to. It's not the purpose of this channel. But I really hope you've found it useful. If you did, just share the word, because it might save a lot of headache for a lot of people. So yeah, by all means, I hope you have a productive career. I hope you use your tablet, um, and I hope you manage to make your Wacom tablet work, because it seems that the Wacom guys are not into that. I do not see them sorting out their issues, because uh, I have found out posts in the internet years and years ago that showed that just their driver sucks. So I hope you guys have a nice one. I was Kartacha from Nerd Zone. Yeah, bye bye.